Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add code on MailerLite. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log into your account. First, log into your MailerLite account. From the dashboard, go to the Sites tab. Select Landing Pages or Forms, depending on where you want to add the code. Click Edit on the page or form where you want to add the code. In the editor, look for the option to add custom code. This is usually found under Settings or in the HTML section. Paste your code into the provided field. Click Save or Update to apply the changes. Your custom code is now added and ready to use. I'm offering a free email list building course in the description below, where you can learn how my team and I generate $3,493 in commissions while growing our email list. The training is completely free right now, so don't miss your chance to check it out. We sincerely appreciate you tuning in to watch our videos. Your support makes all the difference.